Tonight on Sounds of the 80s, Depeche Mode, The Human League, Yazoo, Soft Cell, New Order, Bronski Beat, The Pet Shop Boys and Erasure.
In just a little while, I'll be telling you about some rather exciting new ideas when it comes to presenting sound and vision. But the most important thing that I've got right here is a group of letters requesting various snippets from the last series of Swap Shop. So let's immediately get on with our music show.
Depeche Mode.
You've seen it all before. A million miles have said that too. I've had my hard times in the past. I've been a husband and a lover too. I've lain alone and cried at night over what love made me do. And the loved ones who let me down and couldn't share my point of view. But this is Phil talking. I want to tell you what I found to be true. I love your love action. Love's just a distraction. No talking, just looking, watching your love action. I believe what the old man says, though I know that there's no Lord above. you know I believe in love. I believe in truth, though I lie a lot. I feel the pain from the push and shove. No matter what you put me through, I'll still believe in love. And I say, I love your love action. Love's just a distraction. No talking, just looking, watching your love action.
Okay, time to slow down the mood a little bit. Time for us all to relax to a smashing number. It's the number 2 sound in the charts at the moment. The song's called Only You. A big warm Cheggers welcome for Yazoo!
Looking from a window above, it's like a story of love. Can you hear me? Came back only yesterday. I'm moving farther away. Want you near me? All I needed was the love you gave. All I needed for another day. And all I ever knew, only you. Sometimes when I think of her name, when it's only a game, and I need you. Listen to the words that you say. It's getting harder to stay. When I see you, all I needed was the love you gave. All I needed for another day, and all I ever knew, only you. All I needed was the love you gave. All I needed for another day, and all I ever knew, only you. This is gonna take a long time, and I wonder what's mine. Can't take no more. Wonder if you'll understand. It's just the touch of your hand behind a closed door. All I needed was the love you gave. All I needed for another day, and all I ever knew, only you.
Standing in the door of the pink flamingo, crying in the rain. It was a kind of so love, and I'm gonna make sure it never happens again. You and I, it had to be the standing joke of the year. You were asleep around, lost and found, and not for me, I fear. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I tried to make it work, You in a cocktail skirt and me in a suit. Well, it just wasn't me. You're used to wearing less, and now your life's a mess. So insecure, you see. I put up with all the scenes, and this is one scene that's going to be played my way. Take your hands off me. I don't belong to you, you see. Take a look at my face for the last time. I never knew you, you never knew me. Say hello, goodbye. Say hello, wave goodbye. Under the deep red light, I can see the makeup sliding down. Hey little girl, you will always make up, so take off that unbecoming frown. What about me? Well, I'll find someone that's not going cheap in the sales. A nice little housewife who'll give me a steady life and won't keep going off the rails. Take your hands off me. I don't belong to you, you see. Take a look at my face for the last time. I never knew you, never knew me. Say hello, goodbye. Say hello, then wave goodbye. Say hello, then wave goodbye. Say hello, then wave goodbye. Say hello, wave goodbye, goodbye.
Excuse me, sir, I'd like to test. Excuse me, sir, I'd like to test.
What is that?
It's an anti-mugging spray, sir. 5 pints and 7 pounds.
How does it feel when you treat me like you do? And you laid your hands upon me and told me who you are. I thought I was mistaken, and I thought I'd heard you speak. Tell me, how do I feel? Tell me now, how do I feel? Those who came before me lived through their vocations, from the past until completion. We'll turn away no more. And I still find it so hard to say what I need to say, but I'm quite sure that you'll tell me just how I should feel today. only person today. And I thought I was mistaken, and I thought I'd heard you speak. Tell me how should I feel? Tell me now, how should I feel? Now I stand here waiting. I told you to leave me while I walk down to the street. Tell me, how does it feel when your heart grows cold, grows cold, grows cold?
I pop up in the morning on Breakfast Time TV. In the middle of the afternoon. Hello again, it's me. The late 6 o'clock show. It's wicked. Radio 1. There's no limits to our appetite for witness wacky fun. And now over to Maggie, who's waiting for us down at the Transport Museum. Hi, Mags.
feel about money? I mean, a lot of people say you've got to have lots of money.
Well, I think money is an enormous help. So, I mean, money is immensely stylish, and things that are well made cost money. And if you really care, you spend the money you've got, or you steal it from somebody, or you make an effort.
I've had enough of scheming and messing around with jerks. My car is parked outside, I'm afraid it doesn't work. I'm looking for a partner, someone who gets things fixed. Ask yourself this question, do you want to be rich? Oh, there's a lot of opportunities if you know when to take them, you know. There's a lot of opportunities. If there aren't, you can make them. I've got the brains, you've got the looks. Let's make lots of money. You've got the brawn, I've got the brains. Let's make lots of money. I've got the brains, you've got the looks. Let's make lots of money. You've got the brawn, I've got the brains. Let's make lots of money. I'm single-minded, I know what I could be. How'd you feel about it? Come, take a walk with me. I'm looking for a partner, regardless of expense. Think about it seriously, you know it makes sense. Let's make lots of money. You've got the brawn, I've got the brains. Let's make lots of money. I've got the brains, you've got the looks. Let's make lots of money.
Please welcome Vince Clarke, who created Depeche Mode, moved on to form Yazoo with Alison Moyet, and now he's here tonight with his new band, singing their latest single, ladies and gentlemen, Erasure!
I just couldn't wait to see. Fling my arms around you, sweet falling ecstasy. Oh, sometimes the truth is harder than the pain inside. Yeah. Oh, sometimes it's the broken heart that decides. It's not the way that you caress me, toy with my affection. My sense of emptiness you fill with your desire. Climb in bed beside me, we can lock the world outside. Touch me, satisfy me, warm your body next to mine. Oh, sometimes the truth is harder than the pain inside. Yeah. Oh, sometimes it's the broken heart that
wraps it up for another week. Before I go, I'd just like to say, I'm going now. Ta-da.
I hear you laughing in some other room, and it makes me feel locked out. You say my passion often stifles you, and you need to move about. Well, I was taught that boys need girls and girls need boys. You say that's not true. You would rather fool around than be alone with me. Well, that's alright for you. 'Cause you got love, love, love on your side. 'Cause you got love, love, love on your side. 'Cause you got love, love, love on your side. 'Cause you got love, love, love on your side. I bought you sentimental roses, but you gave them all